What do you got now? We got a restaurant that's delivering great flavors. This is Hilo Bay Cafe.
Pork belly lettuce cups.
The food is always top-notch.
I got eggplant custard up for table C4.
They use lots of fresh local ingredients.
You can come here for date night, and you can come here as a party, and there's something for everybody.
It started as like a little hole in the wall, really unsuspecting, but it really found its place here.
I took a job as a busser so that I could work for the company.
Busser to GM? It's climbing the ladder right there, folks. So how do you describe the restaurant?
If we like it, we're gonna cook it and put it on our menu.
So basically, whatever comes into your crazy mind gets to end up on a plate if you want it.
That's right.
What are we doing on the menu today?
We're gonna do our chicken pot pie.
The chicken pot pie is actually my favorite. It's filled with mushrooms.
Nice little curry flavored in there. It's really good.
Eating a pot pie at a joint like this, it better be an elevated chicken pot pie.
We brine whole birds.
Okay.
We're gonna start off with water, sugar,
Garlic, got it. Onions,
bay leaves,
peppercorn.
fresh thyme,
All right, how long is that gonna go?
about a half an hour.
Hit some ice to cool it down.
Pour the cooled brine over the chicken. 24-hour brine.
Now we're gonna roast it off in the oven at
425
Okay.
for half an hour, and we let it slow down.
low and slow. Now when it comes out, we're gonna pull the skin and shred the meat. All this work for chicken pot pie.
That's correct.
Okay, into the base.
Pound of butter, mirepoix. Add in some curry powder.
Why the curry powder?
That just sets it apart.
Is it just that little back note? Did I hula? That or I'm having an issue.
You might want to get that checked out.
Check my equilibrium.
Hit it with some salt,
Fresh cracked black pepper.
fresh thyme.
Next up,
We build the roux. Add in flour. Once that's all incorporated, we're gonna add in our veg stock and let it tighten up. Then we add the heavy cream.
and some peas.
That's it right there. Now we're gonna make pie crust. Flour, shortening.
This is definitely a swimsuit dish.
We can hit that salt in there.
Okay?
You wanna assist with the water?
I don't know if I can drink it all, but I'll give it a try. If you...
Go for it. Perfect.
The key is to really break up that shortening inside of this.
We're gonna rest this.
Then we'll roll it out.
We do one fold,
Okay?
roll it out until we get it to the thickness that we want it, and then this, you might know what that is.
Which, of course, it's a hat. It's a bad megaphone.
It's a 1-gallon mayonnaise jar.
That's what it was.
This is what we use to cut out our pot pie
That's
shells.
the size dome we're putting on top?
Yep. Grab our pot pie filling. We take some ali'i mushrooms.
Ali'i?
Yep, they're a king oyster mushroom.
Okay.
Some of our shredded chicken, top it with our pot pie shell. Bake it off at 450 degrees for 15 minutes. Ooh, that's hot. And then our local green salad and creamy garlic dressing.
Look at those layers. See that? There's a few things I don't like people to mess with. Philly cheesesteaks. The other would be a pot pie. But when somebody put curry in there, you put just the right amount of curry. It almost adds more rich chicken stockish sweetness to it. But the mushrooms are the big thing right there. I mean, look at that monster. Well done, chef.
Thank you, sir.
Well done.
I have a chicken pot pie for you.
I love the combination of the hot gravy and that crispy crust.
It's quite a rush in terms of taste.
The pastry is so buttery and flaky. It's not your normal pot pie.